Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 15 Queen's Avenue, located close to the High Street here in King's Heath. And then moving into the property where we have a nice open plan living space, including a sitting area here facing towards the front of the property, which then leads through to the dining area. We've got the stairs in the corner going up to the first floor. And through to the kitchen, where we have a door to the side going out into the garden. There's also an integrated cooker and electric hob. And then through to a utility area for the fridge freezer, cupboard containing the gas boiler, and then we have a bathroom at the rear with shower over the bath. Okay, then on to the first floor, and we have the front bedroom here. Nice sized double room. We also have stairs going up to the second floor, and then the rear bedroom. And then onto the top floor bedroom, which has a Velux window facing towards the front of the property, and a further Velux to the rear. And then we also have the ensuite toilet and wash basin. Then there is also a courtyard style garden to the rear.